Magandang araw ho sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga kababayan mula sa Department of Education, sa ating mga teachers, teaching at saka non-teaching personnel mula Luzon, Visayas at saka Mindanao na hinahangad ang performance-based bonus. Ito ho yung pinakahuling PBB na ibibigay ng gobyerno sa inyo. Now, tingnan ho natin, sasabi dito ni DBM Secretary Pangandaman na ang Department of Education is qualified to receive the PBB 2023. Yan din inilathala sa iba't ibang mga news website tulad ng PNA, Qualified Teachers, Non-Teaching Staff to receive 2023 PBB. We also have in Manila Times na qualified ho ang Department of Education. Kasali na dyan ang IBC at saka dito na din sa Manila Bulletin na DepEd confirms 2023 performance-based bonus or PBB for teachers. So, thanks DBM for support. Now, tingnan ho natin kasi na-announce ito before Teachers Day and even some publish it after Teachers Day. So tingnan ho natin kapag dito sa site ng DBM, ito ho yung site ng DBM, meron itong mga SARO releases nila. Merong 738 pages ho ito. So tingnan ho natin kapag meron na bang mga releases ng PBB for Department of Education. Tingnan ho natin dito na meron na talagang na-release na mga performance-based bonus sa iba't ibang ehensya ng gobyerno. Kaso hindi ito sa Department of Education. Ito yung we have the latest. This was released na SARO last October 9, but this is on the National Intelligence Coordinating Agency. Meron din tayo din dito the Caraga State University sa kanilang, of course this is CHED, is UCs, not CHED. This is from State University and Colleges, Caraga State University sa kanilang 2023 PBB. DOST, meron din tayong DOST dito. Okay. Then, Department of National Defense. May mga PBB naman talaga na na-release. Dito, Department of Agriculture. Dito naman again, this is DOST. So kung titingnan, when was this? September pa to. So marami naman talagang mga PBB na na-release. Here we have Games and Amusement Board. Dito naman is Presidential Legislative Liaison Office. Meron din tayong Presidential Broadcast Staff, Bureau of Corrections, National Development Committee. So meron na marami naman talagang mga performance-based bonuses na na-release na, kaso hindi ito sa DepEd. So, kapag meron kayong mga nakita dyan na mga PBB tungkol sa DepEd, wala pa hong SARO na na-release to any SDO or office ng Department of Education. As of today, October 12, 2025. So, sa mga issues, marami na. Tulad dito, meron kayong makita ng mga SARO ng DepEd, Department of Education, Division, pero hindi ho yan PBB. May mga ibang SARO na allotted. Okay? So far, October 12, 2025, wala pa hong PBB for the Department of Education na SARO, na na-release ng SARO. So, yan ho for mo. Yan ho muna. For the meantime, na wala pa hong SARO for the Department of Education teachers for teaching and non-teaching personnel na qualified sa PBB 2023. So, kahit na ganoon, magpasalamat pa din tayo doon sa DBBM dahil na-grant ang PBB ninyo for 2023. So, maghintay lang muna tayo teachers. Konting pasensya, ganoon naman talaga dito sa gobyerno. Patience is a virtue. Magandang araw sa lahat.